Hello everyone, we've got some major breaking news today, and you're going to want to stay with us for every detail. A $4,800 payment is officially scheduled to start rolling out in just 2 days for Social Security and SSDI recipients. That's right, this isn't just speculation anymore. The timeline has been confirmed, and millions of Americans are about to receive much-needed financial relief. If you're wondering whether you qualify, how to prepare, and what to expect, we've got everything you need to know. Make sure you stick around for the entire video, as we'll also cover important tips to avoid delays, maximize the payment's impact, and protect yourself from potential scams. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to reflect on how significant this development truly is. Over the past few years, inflation has surged, driving up the cost of nearly everything: housing, groceries, gas, utilities, and healthcare. For Social Security and SSDI recipients, who often live on fixed incomes, these rising costs have created overwhelming financial stress. Many beneficiaries are struggling just to afford their basic needs, let alone deal with unexpected expenses. This $4,800 payment couldn't come at a better time. It's a lifeline that could help millions catch up on bills, secure daily essentials, or even create a financial safety net for the future. What makes this payment even more exciting is the urgency with which it's being rolled out. Unlike other forms of financial relief that take months to process, this initiative has been fast-tracked to ensure the money reaches those who need it most as soon as possible. The $4,800 payment is part of a targeted effort to provide direct support to vulnerable populations, particularly seniors, individuals with disabilities, and other Social Security beneficiaries. This isn't just a random amount. It's a carefully calculated figure designed to address the growing financial pressures faced by millions of Americans. Let's start by answering the big question: who qualifies for this payment? The good news is that eligibility is straightforward. If you're currently receiving Social Security or SSDI benefits, you're almost certainly included in the group that qualifies for the $4,800 payment. This includes retirees, individuals with disabilities, and others who rely on Social Security as their primary source of income. To qualify, you must have been actively receiving benefits as of a specific cutoff date, which has already been established in the proposal. If you're unsure about your eligibility, now is the time to act. Log into your online Social Security account or contact the Social Security Administration, SSA, directly to confirm your status. Being proactive is the best way to ensure there are no surprises when payments start rolling out. Now that we've covered eligibility, let's move on to how this payment will be distributed. Based on official updates, the $4,800 will be sent through the same method you currently use to receive your Social Security or SSDI benefits. For most recipients, this means the payment will be deposited directly into your bank account via direct deposit. If you typically receive a paper check, the payment will be mailed to your registered address. In some cases, the SSA may issue prepaid debit cards loaded with the funds, which can be used for purchases, bill payments, or ATM withdrawals. If you're unsure which method applies to you, it's critical to double-check your payment preferences and update any outdated information. Make sure your mailing address, phone number, and bank details are accurate in your SSA account. Even a small error, like an outdated address or a typo in your banking information, could delay your payment. Taking 5 minutes to verify your information now can save you a lot of hassle later. So, when will the payments actually arrive? According to the finalized timeline, payments are set to begin rolling out in just 2 days. However, the exact timing will vary depending on how you receive your benefits and your bank's processing times. Direct deposit recipients could see the funds in their accounts as early as the morning of the scheduled payment date. For those who receive paper checks, the payment may take a few extra days to arrive in the mail. Regardless of the method, it's essential to monitor your bank account or mailbox closely over the next week. To stay on top of things, consider setting up bank alerts for direct deposits. Many banks offer text or email notifications when funds are deposited into your account. This is a simple way to stay informed and ensure you don't miss the arrival of your payment. For those receiving checks by mail, check your mailbox daily and be on the lookout for any official correspondence from the SSA. What should you do if your payment doesn't arrive on time? First, don't panic. While the vast majority of payments are expected to go out smoothly, delays can occasionally happen due to high processing volumes or technical issues. If you haven't received your payment within a few days of the expected date, log into your Social Security account to check your payment status. The SSA's online portal is a reliable source of information and can provide updates on any potential issues with your payment. If you're still concerned, reach out to the SSA directly. Their customer service representatives can help verify your payment status and address any problems that may arise. It's also worth noting that some delays may occur with mail checks, particularly if there are disruptions in postal services. Being patient but proactive is the best approach to handling any delays. Now, let's discuss an important topic: protecting yourself from scams. Whenever there's news of financial relief, scammers often try to exploit the situation. Be wary of phone calls, emails, or messages claiming to help you secure your $4,800 payment. Remember, the SSA will never ask for your Social Security number, banking details, or other sensitive information over the phone or via email. If you receive suspicious communication, do not engage. Report it to the SSA or your local authorities immediately. Protecting your personal information is crucial, especially during times like these. Once you receive your payment, it's important to think carefully about how to use it wisely. For many recipients, the $4,800 will be a lifeline to cover immediate expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, or medical bills. If you have outstanding high-interest debt, consider using part of the payment to pay it down. This could save you money on interest in the long run and improve your overall financial stability. Another smart move is to set aside a portion of the payment in an emergency savings account. Life is full of unexpected challenges, and having a financial buffer can provide peace of mind. Whether it's a car repair, a medical bill, or an unforeseen home expense, having some money saved can make all the difference. For families, this payment could help with childcare costs, educational expenses, or other household needs. Seniors may find it particularly useful for covering rising healthcare costs or prescription medications. And for individuals with disabilities, the funds could go toward medical equipment, therapy, or other specialized needs. No matter your situation, having a plan for how you'll use the money can help ensure it has the maximum positive impact on your life. This $4,800 payment represents more than just financial relief. It's a step toward addressing the challenges faced by millions of Social Security and SSDI recipients. While it's a one-time payment, it reflects ongoing efforts by lawmakers to support vulnerable populations and provide timely assistance during periods of economic uncertainty. If this initiative is successful, it could pave the way for additional relief measures in the future. To recap, the $4,800 payment is confirmed, and distributions are set to begin in just 2 days. If you're a Social Security or SSDI recipient, make sure your information with the SSA is up to date to avoid any delays. Monitor your bank account or mailbox closely, and remember to use the funds in a way that supports your financial well-being. Thank you for tuning in to today's update. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about Social Security, SSDI, or financial relief programs. If you have questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay informed, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.